What's up, AC gang? My boy Capo here. As you can see, I'm going to do a very serious prank on Abbi. I don't like to ramp with these pranks, you know, guys. And this one, it got my blood pressure rising and stuff. She inside right now getting ready. I'm gonna go to the pool in a few seconds. I brought it from town. I hide it in my bag and bring it down. She hates playing with her hair, even though it's fake. Not her real hair. She don't like playing with her hair, guys. So I'm gonna try and put the camera up before she come back out to the bathroom. Hopefully we can get a good footage of me doing this, or at least me trying to do this, guys. So let's see how it works out. From the comment section, Team Capo below, and just wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck, please. Up on the counter.
What time we are going there, sir?
Wait.
Going on the pool.
Hello. Oh, it's Stevie.
We're not going now. It's down after 2 now. You post a picture on Instagram?
Yeah. No, como dia good. Ele vai estar a Maybe.
No, work. They said, Julian said the person when they look shiny and not shiny.
What is I need?
There's too much there for me.
Look at how fix it. Look at how it's neat.
It's my phone.
Not really. What about all the
Yeah, but I put a bed now, where?
How far does enough do? Okay, yeah. Eh?
You're not a room service.
What?
Ah, that's so nice.
So I have to get you there. So I have to do it. I do. I'm not to do.
What the fuck is
I
that?
do, man. I don't. And look, come on. At the back part. At the back part, you need to go show. Look. Yes, sir.
Don't forget that.
She has fun. Yes, it's all. And the dirty tall. The too tall, Abbi. Look on the mirror now. Look at the mirror. Look at it now. Turn on the look.
Yeah, idiot! Yeah, idiot!
No, for real. Calm down, man. You look better now. Jesus, you look better, man. No, for real, look better.
Jesus Christ, this bitch.
No, look on.
You go away for the ear for?
I hear this.
You cut the ear for, idiot?
I look a bit come out.
Jesus Christ, this batty boy.
I'll be a little bit come out. I know this now.
Christ. Batty boy, what are you doing?
At the back part, I don't know.
Who you cut the ear for?
I shall tell you.
Where cut the ear for?
Calm down. You know, it does the only.
Come on, come here. Where's scissors? Give me scissors.
For what?
Give me scissors. Give me scissors.
You want it
Now cut off some more in my hair.
Why?
Give me scissors.
No, man.
Give me scissors.
You look better now,
Give me
Abbi.
scissors.
No, believe me, man.
Give me scissors.
You look better over here.
But no, but I'm going to change. My broke.
But you never
Why
have
is that phone, Capo?
you never have
Where you
yours.
cut the ear for? Where you cut the ear for?
You don't have yours.
Where you cut the ear for?
Can't did you want cut?
Where you cut the ear for?
You never do good.
You're fucking hairdresser.
You never do
You
good.
come cut.
You never do good, Abbi. You know that too. So see, cut them off, fix it, man. More one.
What?
More one. Pick up on more of them. More to come off. I should. Just turn on. Finish stuff here.
Which one are you going to
Just turn on, no?
Move on from there, but get rid of that shit.
Come. Oh yeah, do.
Get off of my hand. Get your fingers over your hand. Let off of my hand for me serious. Come on, all you put the ear. Let off. You okay, I'm going to do what? Oh, this will be a pancake for me as a chicken.
You don't cook, you don't cook.
What do you mean you don't cook?
Put it down. Put it down. Let it go. Calm down, man.
Check.
Is that
Where
prank?
you go around the video?
You see Baba here in there, so. Look. I put us take out some alarm video. Where you gonna see it? Look at this one, actually. The camera there. You don't eat that. Is that prank, man? Actually, look how much extra air there go. I don't know, I put the ear for. Yeah, I pull on my head. Do you know, star? Like, would I really put the ear, Abby? Tell the truth. Would I do that? Maybe I would, but. Yo, we can't believe it.
Where did you hear them from?
The bag over there, so. Ear there, pan so I take the ear out of the bag.
Look at my wife, you bag over here and I'll think I'm going to
Somebody want to prank you. Extra ear them down we never use, man. But the ear want to fix up for real though. So if you want, I can actually fix it up for you. Look on the head.
cut off your ear and you're sleeping.
Cut off my ear. Cut off my locks. The original thing. Your one fake. That's cut on the wrong.
Look how much you're dead.
And then?
No, for true. Look how much wait until you drop a set cut off your ear.
Are you great? It's not real. Synthetic ear.
Baby, you my ear. Baby, you my ear.
Synthetic ear and the eye bag.
Baby, you my ear.
Yeah, I put a synthetic ear.
Baby, you my ear. Idiot. Baby, you my ear.
You want to fix
You say,
it?
yeah, my chair, the room, so I can't take play one for them.
Oh boy, anyways, let's go. What do you say you want to do now? Talk to me nice. Talk to me. What do you want to do?
Let's go to the pool.
Yeah, pool. I'm going to the pool with or without you. If you enjoyed this video, you know I'm coming with the pranks as usual, the best pranks. I'll be always doing some lame pranks and stuff, but this one is a great prank by Capo. So hit that like button and comment Team Capo below and share the video, guys. Subscribe if you're new and remember Team Capo in the comment section. If you want a part 2, I'll cut our ear for real this time. Just tell me, say do it for real. Like shit. Like like do it for real, like not do it for real. If you get this video to like 500 likes, I promise you I actually cut our ear. Not the weave, not the fake ear, but the actual real ear.
I see you try.
So guys, just give this video some likes and show some love. If you want a part 2. I cut my girlfriend ear again. Anyway guys, so see you in the next video.